How to create stunning infographics with NotebookLM. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can generate high-quality and professional infographics in just a few seconds using NotebookLM. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. So recently, a new feature has been added inside NotebookLM, and it allows you to automatically create infographics from your notes and research. So let me show you exactly how you can create one. First, open NotebookLM in your browser. Once you're inside, you can either open an existing notebook or create a new one. In this example, I'm opening a notebook about understanding philosophy, but you can use any topic you want. After opening your notebook, look for the infographic creation option. You can click the Generate button. I personally recommend using the customization option because it gives you better control over the final result. Now you'll see several settings. First, select the language you want for the infographic. After that, choose the orientation or aspect ratio. You can select landscape, portrait, or square format. Portrait usually works best because most infographics are designed vertically, but feel free to choose whatever fits your project. Next is the level of detail. In most cases, the standard setting works perfectly because the AI automatically adjusts how much information to include depending on your topic. So you don't really need to change this unless you want something very detailed or extremely minimal. Now comes an important part, the prompt. I recommend adding instructions that ask the AI to keep enough empty space in the design. Without this, the infographic may become crowded with too much text. Adding spacing instructions helps create a cleaner layout that feels easier to read and more visually balanced. Once everything is ready, click Generate. The system will start creating your infographic. It usually takes around 1 to 2 minutes because NotebookLM analyzes all the sources inside your notebook before designing the visual. After the process finishes, you'll see your completed infographic. As you can notice, the layout typically includes visuals, structured sections, and short explanations that help viewers understand the topic quickly without feeling overwhelmed. If you like the result, you can download the infographic by clicking the Download button. The generated image is high resolution and can go up to 4K quality, so the file size may be quite large. And that's basically how you can create professional infographics using NotebookLM. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.